What's up, y'all? Reno here at Desert Sun Toyota. What we're doing today is I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about what we got here. We got a 2015 392 Scat Pack Hemi here. This bad boy is what we're going to be driving today. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit about what it does, what it's capable of doing. You guys ready to go for a ride? Let's go. All right, standard 392. This bad boy's pushing 485 horsepower. Of course, we got an American standard transmission. This is perfect for this part of this country with these sharp turns, Cloudcroft, Ruidoso. One of the nice things about this is you can see it's got dual heating and air conditioning. It's got some nice features here on the steering wheel. Up to third, and we're already up to 45 miles an hour. As far as features, comfort, driver's seat hugs you perfectly. Wraps your lower body real good, so when you take those sharp turns, really hugs your body so you're not flowing to the left, to the right. Leg room's perfect up underneath, and I'm 6'2". So definitely a contender. We've got the 5.0 Mustang, which will definitely, it's a lot lighter vehicle than what this is. You got to keep in mind too, this vehicle here, it's pushing 6,000 pounds, so it's a heavy vehicle. That's why they add a pair of Brembo 6-inch piston brakes all the way around the vehicle. This here is probably going to get you about 14, 15 miles per gallon. But this is for the American muscle. If you own something like this, you ain't worried about fuel. Compare this to Camaro, compare this to Mustang. By far, this vehicle here is going to have a functioning back seat. Well, guys, there you have it. Again, it's been a pleasure spending time with you guys. Reno at Desert Sun Toyota. Come by, see me and the crew here. We'll show you this, that, the other. Whether it's this, we'll make something work for you guys. Have a good day.